Welcome to the 40 Style Guide, where timeless confidence meets effortless sophistication. Today, we're uncovering the 15 style habits that make men over 40 look older and how smart changes can turn back the clock. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about mastering presence, polish, and self-assurance. If you're ready to look 10 years younger without trying too hard, make sure you hit subscribe. Turn on notifications and join a community of men redefining modern elegance. Let's dive into how to look younger this fall without losing your maturity or charm. 1. Wearing clothes that don't fit anymore. The fastest way to look older is wearing clothes that no longer fit, especially if they're loose around the waist or tight at the chest. As you age, your body changes, but your wardrobe should evolve with it. A modern fit should skim your frame, not squeeze it. Tailored proportions instantly restore shape and confidence, making you appear leaner and more youthful. This fall, invest in a few essentials that actually fit your current build. You'll be amazed at how much younger you'll look. 2. Ignoring color balance. Many men over 40 stick to dark tones out of habit, thinking they look safe. But too much navy, black, or brown can drain your complexion. This fall, soften your palette with olive, cream, or muted rust colors that bring warmth and freshness to mature skin. Balanced tones brighten your face, reduce harshness, and subtly rewind time. You don't need to go bold, just thoughtful with color choice. 3. Overusing logos and graphics. Loud logos once said cool. Now they just say trying too hard. Mature style thrives on subtlety, clean lines, solid colors, and quiet confidence. Ditch graphic tees and oversized brand emblems for minimalist designs with character. Think textured knits or fine polos instead of printed tops. Subtle refinement draws attention to your presence, not your labels, and that's what makes you stand out at 40 plus. 4. Sticking to old jeans styles. Those baggy jeans you've had since 2008 aren't doing you any favors. Outdated denim cuts make your frame look heavier and shorter. Swap them for modern, straight or slim-fit jeans with a clean taper. Choose darker washes for structure and pair them with neutral knits or lightweight jackets. This single update reshapes your silhouette and instantly refreshes your overall image. No radical wardrobe overhaul needed. 5. Forgetting seasonal layering. Fall fashion is all about texture and layering, but many men skip it entirely. Wearing just one thin layer can make your outfit feel unfinished. A lightweight overshirt, unstructured blazer, or cotton jacket adds depth and visual interest. The key is balance. Keep layers light, not bulky. This gives you that effortlessly stylish autumn gentleman look while maintaining comfort. Six. Neglecting footwear refresh. Outdated shoes can instantly age your entire look even if the rest of your outfit is on point. Those square-toe dress shoes or chunky sneakers from the early 2000s. Retire them. Fall is the perfect season to upgrade with suede loafers, minimalist trainers, or sleek Chelsea boots. Shoes ground your outfit. When they're modern and clean, everything above them feels intentional. Younger style starts from the ground up literally. Seven. Wearing the wrong outerwear shape. Many men cling to bulky jackets that drown their frame. Oversized puffers or stiff coats add unnecessary volume and erase structure. Instead, opt for lightweight bomber jackets or unlined field coats that shape your shoulders and taper at the waist. This clean silhouette keeps you warm while maintaining agility and youthfulness. The right outerwear should frame your body, not hide it. 8. Ignoring grooming and necklines. Even the best outfit can't save a tired neckline or unkempt facial hair. Crew necks emphasize loose skin, while open collars or V-necks subtly elongate the neck and sharpen the jawline. Combine this with clean grooming, trimmed beard, tidy hair, and you instantly project energy. Remember, your clothes frame your face. Treat it like the centerpiece of your style. Nine. Over dash access or IZING. Wearing too many accessories screams trying to impress. Keep it simple. One statement watch, a clean leather bracelet, or a subtle necklace if it fits your vibe. Mature style thrives on intention, not clutter. The goal is to add character, not noise. Each accessory should tell a quiet story, something that complements, not competes with, your outfit. 10. Forgetting to update glasses. Eyewear is often overlooked, but outdated frames can age your entire appearance. If your glasses haven't changed in a decade, it's time for a refresh. Modern frames then acetate, soft square, or subtle tortoise will instantly sharpen your face. They're not just vision tools, they're style amplifiers. Your frame should align with your personality and complement your wardrobe's tone. "11. Ignoring seasonal textures. Many men forget that fall is all about texture. When everything you wear is flat cotton, your outfit lacks depth. Introduce tactile fabrics like brushed flannel shirts, soft suede sneakers, or fine corduroy trousers. These add richness without heaviness. Texture creates visual warmth and tells the world you understand subtlety. Fall style isn't about layering more, it's about layering better." "12. Wearing boxy jeans or pants. Loose, shapeless jeans instantly age you. Modern trousers slim, but not tight, elongate your legs and emphasize proportion. Avoid heavy breaks at the ankle. A clean taper looks sharper and leaner. Your pants should move with you, not fight your stride. Think of them as silent architects of your silhouette. The difference of an inch here defines whether you look classic or dated. "13. Ignoring color temperature. Wearing the wrong colors can wash you out, especially as hair grays and skin tones soften. Warm autumn hues like camel, rust, forest green, and charcoal add life and balance. Experiment with earthy palettes that complement your undertone. The right color not only flatters your complexion, but also radiates maturity without dullness." "14. Overlooking the power of fit and layers. Stacking bulky layers can turn style into struggle. Each layer should serve structure and contrast, like a light turtleneck under a tailored overshirt, or a thin vest under a jacket. Balance function with flow. Smart layering builds dimension without bulk, keeping your look young and intentional." 15. Sticking to old shoe pairings. Many men limit their shoes to brown or black, but subtle shifts like taupe loafers, off-white trainers, or dark green suede boots instantly modernize your look. The key is contrast without chaos. Shoes should complete the story your outfit begins. Mature style means taking small risks that pay off big in refinement. Style isn't about pretending to be younger, it's about refining who you already are. Each piece you wear should express quiet confidence and modern taste. If today's insights helped you see your wardrobe differently, support this channel by hitting subscribe and joining the 40 Style Guide every week. We share practical tips for men who value looking sharp, authentic, and ageless. Remember, great style isn't loud, it's lasting. Stay confident, stay classic, and I'll see you in the next video.